So Christmas is around the corner, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these little cute snowman clip art faces that you can sell on places like Redbubble and Etsy. So let's just jump right in. Here we go. All right, so we're going to go on to create a design, and I want to customize my design to, my standard 45 by 54 pixels. So I already have it here, so I'm just going to click. And once that comes up, I am going to go into Elements. And in Elements, I'm going to type in Snowman Faces. Go into Graphics. And so you see there's like a whole bunch of different type of faces that you can choose here. And so I think I'm going to go with, I'm going to start with, let's do this one. Let's see how this looks. Okay, perfect. So I'm just going to actually take a couple here. So in the magic recommendations, I'm going to hit see all, and I'm going to go with this one here. I like that one. And what else here? We'll take this one, this little cute smiley one here. And oh, I like this one here. It looks like a she. So I think I'm gonna play around with that one to make it a she. And what else? Let's see. I think I want to go with this smile instead of this one and this one here. So I'm just going to do 3 just so you can get the gist of what I'm doing here. Okay. So I'm going to make 3 or add 2 more pages, and I'm going to transfer. So I'm going to copy, cut, and cut is by going Control X on your, if you have a MacBook, and then pasting it to the page you want by Control V. Okay, so let's start with this one here. All right, so I want this one to probably have like some type of a hat, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on hat in Graphics under Elements, and I'm going to, let's see here. I think I want him to have, let's try the sombrero here. Let's click that here, and I'm just gonna scroll. I'm gonna angle it, and let's see how that looks. Doesn't look bad. And let's see what a top hat looks like. If we put top hat, put this one, I'm just gonna move this sombrero down a bit, and yeah, that looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna ixnay the sombrero, and let's see if we tilt it a bit and just move it a bit. There we go. That looks good. So boom, that's one of them done. Okay, so I'm going to highlight it. Then I'm going to group it. So Control G, and I'm just gonna open it up. All right, and perfect. Okay. We need to center this a bit more. Bring that up a bit. Let's see now. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so that's one. Let's go down to the next one. I want this one to have an afro puff. I don't know why, but I just do. So let's type in, let's see here. Let's type in afro in Elements, and let's see what we get. Okay, so we'll go back to Graphics here, and let's see what we can come up with. you know what? How about if we type in, I want puffs. So I'm gonna type in Afro puffs. Okay. Let's see. There's a lot you could choose from. Okay, here's one. Let's put that one there for a second. I mean, that's just an afro, but I want a puff now. How about this? Let's give this one a try. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one here. Now, obviously there's a face here, so we need to remove that face because that will just look weird right there, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on the photo, the image, and I'm going to scroll up just above the ears because we just don't want the ears in there. And I'm going to go hit done. And then I'm just going to expand. And let's see what we get with this once we expand it here. Yeah, that looks cute. Okay, let me just center it first. So I need to center her as well. Let me see here. Let me see if I bring her face in just a bit so I can level the eyes. Yeah. Isn't that cute, y'all? Okay, so I'm going to highlight and I'm going to group it, and I'm just going to open it up here. Just bring it in a bit more and then center it. There we go. So there's another one. That's 2. Next, 3. Okay, what can I do with this one? I know. Okay. Let's do a Rasta man, I guess. Rastafarian, Rasta man. Let's see what comes up here. And let's type in hat and go to graphics. And let's see here. I'm gonna go back here. Let's give this one a try here. Let's see. No, I don't like the colors. Let's type in, I don't know if I spelled that right. Yep, Rastafarian hat. Okay, here we go. This one looks good. Yeah, what? Look at this. This one's funny. I think what I would do is I'd take away the cheeks here, the blush cheeks, and let's see if I can get rid of it without going over the eyebrows. And let me scroll in and see here. I feel like I'm just on the line, but don't worry, we could probably fix that. Let's see. Oh, no, I got it. Perfect. Oh, but we need to fix this. I went over the smile. Go back here. Bring it back again. How about now? Nope. We need to just come right up as close as we can. Perfect. All right, so let's go back out and bring this up a bit. No, I like it down. Just gonna use the arrows instead. All right, there you go. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna highlight. I'm gonna copy. It's not copy. I'm gonna hit Control G for grouping it, and I'm going to open it up. Make it bigger. Okay, bring this down a bit. There we go. and center it. And that's it, y'all. I mean, I could have probably done something else here, but I didn't like the dreads though. Like if you scroll up to the top here and this one right here, let me duplicate this here, and then remove the hat, and then put this one here and expand. Okay, and then make this face a bit smaller here. Oops. Position that to the back. Actually, I'd probably leave it like that. Maybe bring this in a bit. So you could do that as well. But you just play around with it. So not just have the plain old Christmas snowman. You could just do things like theme wise based on, I guess, like a culture, right? So like the one that had this sombrero, I think I saw another sombrero here somewhere. Like, I mean, there's so many things you can do, right? Like you could put a Santa hat on them if you wanted to, and just flip it, and then just tilt it, like something like that. I mean, however you want it, pretty much anything works here. I don't like that one here. So yeah, I mean, a cowboy hat, right? You could put a cowboy hat for a cowboy. Yeah, so isn't this cute? So I'm just gonna size it up here. I like the cowboy one, and I like this one here too. So let's just see how I made 4. I was gonna make 3, but I made 4. And so see, this you can easily sell on places like Etsy and Redbubble as stickers for Etsy, for people who are into the Cricut and silhouette projects. Great for them for their shirt designs as well as stickers, or however they want to use them. But yeah, it's really simple, and you can just not only do this with snowmen, but you can do this with like other animals and fruits, vegetables. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like this video, hit that like button and also subscribe to my page. And thank you again for watching. Y'all take care and have yourself a great day. Bye for now.